Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the complete look of the Empire Line Chikankari kurta that I created recently. But first I'm completing the style of this look by wearing the earrings which I had in the pocket of the dress. And pockets necessary in every dress, they are for me. So here's the Chikankari Empire Line dress. This fabric I found from the fabric market in Chickpet, Bengaluru. I've used nearly 4 meters of fabric to complete the entire garment. It is a calf-length dress with the bodice having princess darts in the front and basic back darts at the back, cut out right below the bust line, having a round circular skirt to give the flare, and has a basic full-length sleeves. I personally love chikankari, especially the white on white. It's my favorite. What's your favorite color? Do let me know by commenting down below. I would love to know. I styled the outfit with white chudidar bottom and chikankari embroidered chiffon dupatta which I had got from Lajpat Nagar nearly 4 years ago. I've styled this dupatta at various occasions and it's my favorite. I use L'Oreal Paris Infallible Eye Crayon for my eyes, NYX Professional Soft Matte Lip Creme for my lips in the shade Monte Carlo. I keep the accessories minimal with a statement piece. Here I am wearing an oversized pearl stud for my ears and a pearl embellished side clip for my hair to accentuate the look. This is my complete full white garment. But I also wanted to try by adding a hint of color to the outfit. So firstly, I center partitioned my hair and for the color, I used a bandhani dupatta. This bandhani dupatta, I had got it from Rajasthan. Pleated the dupatta and wrapped it around the neck for the both ends to fall in the front. Used American diamond square studs to complete the look. Oh yes, I did wear heels for both the outfits. I think I prefer this style more than the white on white. Or can I choose one? I don't think so. Which one would you prefer? Do let me know. Also, if you like the video, do hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I love you guys so much and I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye.